Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue chapter 4, heat chapter in physics. In the last class, we saw the range of the three measuring scales of temperature: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. Right? So, this range is based on the freezing and boiling point of water. Right? So the freezing point of water in Celsius scale is 0 degree Celsius. Whereas the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit. That is why I have written here as 0 degree Celsius is 32 degree in Fahrenheit scale. Similarly, in Kelvin scale it is 273 Kelvin. Then the boiling point of water is 100 degree in Celsius scale. The same boiling point of water when measured in Fahrenheit scale would be 212 degree Fahrenheit. That is why I have written here as 100 degree in Celsius is equal to 212 in Fahrenheit scale. The same in Kelvin scale would be 373. Right? Then we discussed how the formulas are derived to calculate a temperature if it is given in Fahrenheit or in degree Celsius. Right? The derivation of these formulas is not having much importance, but you should know that. These formulas you should keep in your mind and don't confuse the relations. Okay? Then, today we are moving to the next one, that is how to convert a temperature if it is given either in Kelvin scale or Celsius and to convert to the other. First, you should know that the value of a temperature in Kelvin scale, that is 0 Kelvin. In Kelvin scale, if the temperature is 0, it corresponds to minus 273 in Celsius scale. Okay, don't confuse. In Celsius scale, if it is 0 means 273. But if this 273 is reduced to 0, what will happen? In Celsius scale, it will go in the negative. Minus 273 it becomes. It goes to a very cold temperature. As you know that if the temperature is in the negative means it is going to be very, very cold. Okay. So the temperature is 0 in Kelvin scale means we call that as absolute zero temperature. Okay, children? So don't confuse both the things. If a temperature is 0 in Celsius means it is plus 273. It is in the positive sign. Now this 273 Kelvin is only, I am reducing it to 0. So what will happen? Already for 273 Kelvin it is 0 in Celsius scale. If I am again reducing it, what will happen to the temperature in Celsius? It will start to move in the negative scale. Like how you learn the integers in your mathematics. You'll have the 0 as a center and towards this side you'll have the positive values like plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Similarly, towards the left hand side you will have it as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Right? The same thing here also. So here in Celsius scale the value is 0. For that itself the corresponding value in Kelvin is 273. Now I am reducing this 273 like 272, 271, 270, 269 like that itself it keeps on going and reaching to 0 Kelvin. For that, what is the corresponding temperature in degree Celsius? I need to know. Okay. So now it has for 273 it is 0 in Celsius. Now if I keep on decreasing, it starts to move in this side, left hand side, like it will reach the negative values. And that is why you got the absolute zero temperature value in Kelvin scale, that is 0 Kelvin is equal to minus 273. Did you understand why you got the negative sign here? Okay. Then the same thing I have written here. Whereas 0 degree Celsius is plus 273 Kelvin. Now, the formula to convert a temperature given in degree Celsius to Kelvin is K is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. Why this 273 came here? Because that is the difference between the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. 0 minus 273 is 273. 100 minus 373 is also 273. That difference only you are going to keep in your formula. Understand? Okay. Now I am going to rearrange this formula and write for Celsius scale. If the unknown is in Celsius, the given is in Kelvin. How will I rearrange the formula? Plus 273 will go to this side and it will become as minus 273. So the formula is degree Celsius is equal to K minus 273. Okay. This is the formula to calculate a temperature in Kelvin to Celsius or Celsius to Kelvin. Now we are going to see how to convert a temperature when given in Kelvin to Fahrenheit. Okay. So this formula is already known to you. What is the formula to calculate the temperature given in degree Celsius to Fahrenheit? Sorry, I have written this wrongly. If a temperature is given in Celsius, if you wanted to convert to Fahrenheit, the formula is 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Isn't it? This is the formula we learnt already. See, degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. If the given temperature is in degree Celsius, how will I convert to degree Fahrenheit? 9 by 5 into degree Celsius plus 32. That is what I have written here. 9 by 5 into degree Celsius plus 32. Now, instead of this degree Celsius, I will substitute the value in Kelvin. What I have learnt here already, if a temperature is in Kelvin, how to convert to degree Celsius? K minus 273. For Kelvin, now what is the formula? C plus 273. That thing I will substitute here. Instead of C, I will substitute here as C is equal to K minus 273. That formula I will substitute and rearrange it as K minus 273 into 9 by 5 plus 32. Did you understand how I got the formula for converting a temperature in Kelvin to Fahrenheit? Then the last one is, if a temperature is same in both the degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit scale, means it is minus 40 degree. We learned that any temperature given in Fahrenheit can be converted to degree Celsius. Similarly, any temperature given in degree Celsius can be converted to degree Fahrenheit. But for the values to remain the same, what could be the value is minus 40. Only in this temperature, both the degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit scale holds the same value. Okay. So this might be somewhat new to you. Don't confuse it too much. Just remember the formulas alone. I have explained you how these formulas are derived so that you will not get confused. This is number 1. Number 2. Number 3 is 0 Kelvin is equal to minus 273. Fourth point, K is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. Whereas if I want only degree Celsius, means it gets rearranged as K minus 273. This value I will substitute in this Fahrenheit formula to derive a formula for converting Kelvin to Fahrenheit. Right, that is what I have done here. Kelvin to Fahrenheit I have substituted from the known formulas only. Already we learnt no, from that I have just substituted it. Instead of C I have substituted the value in Kelvin minus 273. Then the sixth point, if it is in 1 mark question, for a temperature to be the same in Celsius and Fahrenheit scale means at what temperature it can be, in the sense it is in the minus 40 degree Celsius. Let us work out that now. See here, this is a formula to calculate the temperature given in degree Celsius to convert it to degree Fahrenheit. I am substituting in the formula. If the Celsius is minus 40 means cancellation, 5 8s are 40. It will become as 9 into minus 8. Then plus 32 from the formula. 9 8s are minus 72 because there is a minus sign here. Minus 72 plus 32, then minus 40. So did you notice that the temperature in both the Celsius scale as well as in the Fahrenheit scale is one and the same? This will not hold true for any other temperature. If you even write any temperature in C is equal degree Celsius is 39 means it will hold a different value in Fahrenheit scale. Right? But at only one point, at one temperature, they both will be the same. That is the minus 40 degree temperature. Okay. So keep these 6 formulas which I taught you now in your mind. Based on that, the problems can be worked out. If you have any doubt in this, kindly contact me, children. Thank you.